AFen elevator vending machine. Restock with ease. Spring slots, pusher slots, conveyor slots. Standard configuration is 6 layers and 9 slots, large capacity design. Enlarge the anti-theft access port and reserve banknotes and card readers. Coin holder, 5-inch screen and metal keyboard. Press the button to purchase, and the elevator can pick up the goods smoothly and quickly. Take the goods at the pickup port and lock them automatically after completion. If interested, please contact us.